Welcome to the Ashish Desai residence, a single apartment floor spread across 3000 square feet located in the heart of the city and facing the iconic MSU Dome. The home belongs to a client deeply rooted in spirituality and meditation, so our goal was to create a space that feels calm, grounded, and timeless. We custom designed the main door frame using ply veneer and metal with a cotton steel finish. A clever detail: the outer steel frame opens independently when full access is needed, allowing flexibility without compromising on aesthetics or function. The adjacent wall features grooved paneling, adding a subtle texture that hints at what lies within. Below, the flooring is finished in printed tiles that anchor the space and set a warm, earthy tone right from the doorstep. Inside, we have designed a fully functional shoe cabinet with integrated seating, not just for utility, but to create a small moment of pause and transition. It's concealed, clean lined, and seamlessly blends into the architecture. As you step further in, a passage subtly separates the foyer from the living area, offering a sense of privacy before the main space reveals.
Then comes the living room. It is open, light filled, and oriented towards lush green views. The palette is neutral, of whites, warm woods, and soft beige Italian marble, all chosen to support a sense of calm. Here, instead of a POP ceiling, we used woven cane rolls, laid over plywood and framed with wooden beading. This adds warmth, natural texture, and also serves as a structured grid for lighting, making the ceiling both decorative and functional. To avoid having the main door open directly into the living space, we introduced a custom MS floral partition. It divides the entryway, mandir, and living area without using solid walls. The partition incorporates fluted glass, offering privacy while keeping the space connected. The mandir sits quietly behind the screen, defined yet not visually exposed. Because of its weight, the partition is anchored using floor spring instead of hinges, maintaining stability and movement.
So the living room connects to a terrace which wraps around the apartment. Instead of bulky RCC columns, we use the zinc and powder coated MS frame for the roof. Sleek, durable, and rust free. To filter harsh sunlight, we sandwiched a layer of sheer fabric between glass panels. It softens daylight and maintains visual brightness without glare, making the terrace usable all day. Then comes the dining and kitchen area. The kitchen, dining, and living areas form a fluid, open layout and sociable. The kitchen cabinets are finished in cream duco, paired with white quartz countertops for a clean, functional look. Flooring continues in Italian marble from the living room. Above the stove, a suspended metal frame hides the chimney while integrating open shelves, planters, and a light reflective top plate. A sliding door allows the kitchen to be closed off when needed. It's accessible from three zones: living, dining, and terrace, making the space feel connected and sociable.
To the right is a custom designed desk created specifically for the client, a trader who works from home. It's positioned to provide easy access to dual screens and the TV, all from one spot. And while working, he can still enjoy the lush green view just beyond the window. A hidden door behind fluted panel leads to the toilet, maintaining clean visual lines. Flooring mimics Kota stone, using tiles that offer an earthy tone with more durability. An RCC grooved ceiling, wooden paneling, and a curved TV partition creates a mix of raw and soft finishes. This room is designed to grow with her. A mold accent wall behind the bed creates a playful yet timeless base. A desk nook and open shelving define the study zone. Even the designer tile in the passage marks a subtle entry point, thoughtful and functional.
The guest bedroom feels warm and personal. MDF Duco panels conceal storage within an accent wall. Earthy tones and custom crane artwork on a slated MDF bed back add charm. This apartment blends craft, function, and calm living into one unified experience. Each space reflects its purpose, not just through layout, but through thoughtful material choices and architectural clarity. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough.